G'day guys, Scott from Fat Bit Trader here, just bringing you a quick update on the trades for the week so far. Basically, our yen trade is finally working out. It got a bit ugly there last night, but it didn't actually hold below our stop level. And it's basically proceeded today to travel pretty much back up to where our target is, which is fantastic. So we're up about 120 points on that, or 117 at the minute. This is our target here, the 127 level. I might just make that bigger so we can actually see what we're looking at. So we're probably about to close this out any second, which would be nice. Be a nice end to the week. The other trade that we're in currently is the Euro US dollar. Now this has been very interesting. It's basically up 9 points at the moment. It is starting to work with us, which is great. What's going on there? Don't you love that? It is working with us at the moment, but if you're having a look here, it's actually been down as far as 48 points with us, or 50 points with us. Has made a bounce just on the back of some news. Oh, sorry, I'm on the 4-hour chart here, Wally. It has made a bounce back up on some news. I think there was the where we have the German price index, some such rubbish anyway. Pretty much we got within, say, 10 points of our target. I think I'm going to leave this one open until we hit it, 60 points away. Yeah, so that's pretty much the go on those. Just looking to see how much time I've got left with Jing, but it doesn't want to show me. The other trade that we did, obviously we took the Aussie dollar trade this week, which we've already posted on Profitly, so that's sort of all over Red Rover. Basically you can see we took it off this fib expansion here, bang bang. We got in about here, took it off at the 127 for 140 pips, which is good. And you can see what happened at that point. It basically fell away and then come back, retested, fell away before finally breaking through. Went up to around the 161, sorry, the next level up, and now it's fallen away to retest it. So I personally think we're going to be in a position where we've had 1, 2, 3, we had 4 daily missed pivots, which is pretty unusual. I would expect to see it come back to 91.50 for a buy before I'm interested again. I could be wrong on that, I have been wrong before, but that's sort of where I'm looking at. We did also close out a Singapore dollar trade. I think, oh no, that's Singapore. Here we go, US dollar, Singapore, but that was on the back of a government bond trade I did there over the last month. It's it's basically, we made a little bit on the position, we made 20 points on it, a couple of $100. There's nothing to write home about, but at least, when you're trading stock or, currencies, commodities in things other than your own base currency or your own home currency, it's really important to hedge off that risk, because that can just absolutely destroy any profit you make on any positions that you take overseas. So important thing to consider. And the very last one that we are looking at the moment for a potential buy is the CAD Swissy. Now this trade here is just absolutely tearing at the minute. It's missed 1, 2, 3 daily pivots. It's just finally come back and touch one. Again, I'm looking to buy this at around the 79.50 level, tracking all the way up. I go to the daily chart here, all the way up to around the 92.50 level, I think, or 95. There we go, 95 level. So that's a fair old crack. I would really be happy to get out on this level here, which is the 90. So that's like what? It's like 1,000 pips away. So it's a pretty fairly decent trade. So that's definitely something to keep your eyes out for, guys. So something to keep your eyes out for, that big 1,000 pip trade. It may take 6 months to actually come off, but I think it will get there. So it's been a very interesting week. We're up quite a bit. I think we're up 7 on one, a couple of hundred on another. We're probably, let's say 120 on a mil, so we're up 12,100 on this at the minute. And you know what, I'm getting pretty close to just wanting to close this out, because when I realised I actually did put another position on there, yeah, that's a double position, so it's fairly decent as far as profit for the week's concerned. Oh, excuse me. Alright guys, this is just going to dick around for a while by the look of it. I may just end up closing out before I head off to bed. Alright guys, that's all for now. Till next time, trade well, and if you're keen to get more trade ideas and trade updates, then please sign up for our newsletter at fatbtrader.com. Until next time, trade well. Certainly digging around this, isn't it?